we're coming on to tell you guys what happened to us while we were in Jamaica in Hellshire. So we went to Hellshire. This is a funny story. Funny but upsetting at the same time. But good afternoon and good night. Just of course as I turned on the camera my battery died, but I wanted to get through the intro, which didn't happen. But you guys, we are home and we are not leaving this house today because girl, it is raining from yesterday non-stop, like pouring rain, showering, thunderstorming, tearing down outside. So we are just home cuddling and chilling, all four of us in the bed. And you know when it rains, it's like your body's extra hungry. Don't know why, honestly. Am I the only one that feels that way? I don't think so. But it's raining, and this morning I fell for some saltfish fritters and I was determined to get up and make the saltfish fritters, and guess what? I don't have any saltfish. I was pissed because I really thought I had a piece of saltfish, but it seems like I used it before I went to Jamaica to make ackee and saltfish. And I need to order some ackee online because it's Christmas time, and I don't think I have any ackee, or maybe I have like one tin remain, so I need to stock up on my ackee. But it's raining and I don't feel to eat no super healthy today. So I am gonna make some wings. I'm gonna put some wings in the oven and probably cook some rice with it so we can have some food for the rest of the day in the house. But everybody, why Sarah up there? So you
that's what I was. No, it's her. I was thinking that she don't go forward, she go back.
Sarah!
She moved. She was.
Put her back up here, so please.
So she can go farther there.
Sarah is hilarious. She and her brother is chilling. Everybody is here in the house. Say good morning, fam bam.
Good morning. Good afternoon. Good morning. Good afternoon.
And good
Yes,
night.
So Sarah is there. Tyler is doing activity and baby's doing what he does. You know, Papa. Wings! What should we do with the wings?
Eat them.
What should I?
What's wrong?
He's a damn fool. What should I prepare with the wings? That's what I meant.
Oh.
Tyler, what do you want? No. I mean, what should I prepare with the wings? Some rice, some fries, some mashed potato.
Fries with fries.
You say fries?
You're not gonna eat that with rice. Rice is.
Yes,
I
with
mean, eat
fries.
the
With
it's
fries.
only food that you need to
With
do.
fries.
Okay, so fries for the win.
Yay!
Sarah is like, boy, if you don't sit your butt down.
I'm gonna put it.
Fries for the win. So we gonna do fries and wings in this rain. Look at Sarah's face. I thought Sarah would have fell asleep, but we all slept in. We didn't get out of bed until after midday.
She's quiet.
Oh, she's fine. She's fine. Prepare a place in your heart. Da, 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 da.
Régler la brève discussion avec
Papa, ça c'est le statut de quoi? Ça? De liberté ou non?
C'est le gars qui... Non, c'est celui qui fait du vélo. Il a eu du vélo et il est du vélo et puis comme ça j'ai gagné le gagné la course.
La 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 la. Look at Sarah looking at me like, Mama, are you crazy, girl? Are you crazy, Mama? Mama, you crazy? Mama crazy. Mama crazy? Mama crazy? Yes? Look at her looking at me. Mama crazy? Say, Mama, you crazy? Oh, she's tired. My sweet girl. And if you guys wonder how I'm doing the wings real quick, all I did was wash them, put some Jamaica jerk seasoning on them.
Jamaican jerk seasoning, I love that.
And some olive oil.
I love olive oil.
And now they're gonna roast nicely.
I love.
I'm just gonna drizzle some more olive oil on it, so make sure everybody get touch up. Oh yeah, she gonna fall asleep. She definitely gonna fall asleep. She's so tired. Look at her eye. And now I'm gonna throw these in the oven in about 45 minutes or 30 minutes. Boom. Let's put it on 45 minutes. Boom, done. Oh, you're tired. All right, Mama, come. Oh. Okay, you guys, quick fix, rain food done. We already started eating. Food ready? Food ready. It says Franks and Papa shirt.
It's crispy.
I made it brown. Come tell me if you want it more crispy.
What is called red cookie? What, Mama? You want it more?
Hi. Up. Don't touch it. It's okay this way?
I haven't eaten a chicken.
Which one you eat? Both?
Yeah.
I haven't seen them.
You guys, I give Tyler a show and tell him to put on a pyjama, and look what Tyler put on.
Christmas.
Tyler, what are you wearing?
Santa Claus.
Why are you wearing Santa Claus? That's not Christmas.
Tyler's in
Yes,
his
I'm
Christmas
going to
spirit.
keep it every day.
Oh, you're gonna keep it every day?
Stop doing your mouth like that.
When I'm going to school, I'm going to keep it on. And put shirt on top and then my uniform down.
Tell face night night.
Night.
Give sister Bizo.
Don't have friends.
Give sister Bizo and run along to bed. Sarah, what you doing?
No, she big.
She have two neck.
She has two chin.
Two neck, two chin. Run along to bed, monsieur. Papa coming to tuck you in. Die. Go. One.
Papa il arrive. Va faire pipi.
Her favorite thing to do these days is catch her when her hand shaking to go up. Honey, go tuck Tyler in and come back to Sarah, please. And the one child you have is two.
Really? You have one. You have one. I have one. We share.
You're so obsessed with your daughter, you don't want to leave her to go tuck your son in?
She's nice with me.
That's better.
Kiss me here. Kiss me here. So wet
Why
one.
should I?
I feel it's good when my head is hurting.
You're hilarious. Whenever his head is hurting, he like when I kiss him on his forehead.
Because
You're so
usually
funny.
she used to do that to me. She used to make me feel comfortable, but I don't know when she used to do that. I mean, when is the last time you did that?
When is the last time you tell me to do that?
No, you don't. I don't used to ask you. You used to
Really?
do it.
So if you're not beside me, how am I gonna do it? Yay! No love making on camera. PG-13.
That's it.
Anyway, you guys, since it was raining and we didn't do anything else for the rest of today's vlog, we're going to come on and finally tell you guys a little. You guys, like I said, we're coming on to tell you guys what happened to us while we were in Jamaica in Hellshire. So we went to Hellshire. This is a funny story, funny but upsetting at the same time. But we went to Hellshire. You guys know how much I'm obsessed with Fish and Festival. If you don't know, well, now you know. I can't go to Jamaica and don't go to Hellshire, and it does is a must stop, and I have to go to the original Hellshire beach stop. Fort Clarence is not the same for me. I just need that old Hellshire stop vibe. So we went to, I go to Jamaica every time. When I go to Jamaica, I go to Hellshire. Normally when I go to Hellshire, I just go to my spot, order my fish, don't even ask the price, and I know that it will be a reasonable price because I go to Hellshire every time I go to Jamaica. So we go to Jamaica this trip, go to Hellshire beach, and because I know baby's a different complexion from us, I was going to let babe stay in the car, let us go and order Fish and Festival before he come out the car, because I know the minute that they see him, they would have hiked up the price. And since it was a lot of us, and I wasn't gonna go to my usual spot, which I should have followed my mind and go to my usual spot, we just go to a spot that everybody just chose or whatnot. So babe finally came out of the car, and I guess they know right away that we're not yardie. We yardie mixed with something else. So this man followed us and took us to a shop because they wanted a spot where the sand was, because you guys may or may not know that Hellshire, the sea took back some of the sand, so not all of it have sand to all of the stretch of shops that's on the beach. So the guy, I told the guy that wanted a spot with sand, he found a spot with sand, and we chose this spot to sit. The guy that was following us told us that it's his girlfriend's shop, which, okay, whatever, it's his girlfriend's shop. So we be la vibes and we chose a shop. Now we went and chose our fish. this is where I take full responsibility for this part. We chose our fish and did not ask the price of the fishes, because when I go to Hellshire, I don't normally ask the price, because I know you choose a 1 and 2 fish to come up to a reasonable price when I know that I can afford. Choose the fishes, 1 fish for me, 1 for babe, because Tyler won't eat off a fish, so I know that I'll share my fish with Ty, or he'll pick babe on, or but I chose festival for him because Tyler loves festival. Anyway, Shan chose, my friend Shan chose her fish, and my cousin Colleen with us chose her fish. So in total it would have been 5 fishes. What happened? Give me a pass it, please. It would have been 5 fishes, and we ordered 12 festival in total. So the order came and we were there having a good time, and our fishes came. Hold on, she's probably hungry. Hang on. I had to leave to take care of Sarah, so I'm coming back to finish up the story to tell you guys what happened. So like I was telling you guys, the fishes came and we realized that in total of all the fishes that we ordered, there was 1 fish there that we didn't order. So for example, we ordered 5 fish, 6 came. So my cousin said, you know, let the 1 stay because she was going to order 1 to go home anyways. We had fun. The fish tastes so good, of course, because it's Hellshire Beach, and the festival was on point, to the point where I even ordered more festival. I ordered 6 more. Anyway, we finished the afternoon and we were ready to go home and ask for our bill. And let me tell you something. The man told us that our bill for the 5 fishes plus the extra 1 and the 1 dozen festival was $16,400. The man wanted to scam us. My cousin that was there was like, 16,000 for what? What did we eat? Golden fish. We even had it as an inside joke saying we ate golden fish. So my cousin is like, no. That's not possible. And Shan was saying it's impossible. I was saying it's impossible. So we're like, no, we need to calculate these fishes. So of course, because I didn't ask the cost of the fishes and the pound of the fishes, so right then and there he can just tell us any number, any figure. So it was really bad on my part to not do that, but anyway, I take full responsibility. So he came and my cousin took out her phone for a calculator, and she was calculating and asking him how much a pound for the fishes and how much for the fishes and how much for the festival and for the juice and all that stuff. The juice was a separate bill, so don't even mention I won't even mention the juice. So how much for the fishes and the festival? And when we recalculate, I think it came up to 12 or 13,000 in total, but I knew that he still tricked us anyway. So we got tricked, we got robbed, we got scammed. So if you guys are in Jamaica and going to Hellshire Beach, as much as how I love Hellshire Beach, if you can go to the shop that don't see what you drive onto the beach, or if you have white people around you, high color people around you, don't let them see the person before you order the fish, because your price will be hiked. And don't do like me, make sure you ask how much per pound for your fish and what's the total of your bill before you take their fish and festival. But either ways, I'll go back tomorrow morning if I have the chance, and when I go to Jamaica I'll be going right back to Hellshire Beach, but not to that shop, of course. And I learned my lesson to ask prices and pounds before I get scammed. So that was a hella experience. We still have that inside joke, so we go to Hellshire to eat golden fish. Anyway, you guys, that was what happened to us in the Hellshire beach. But nonetheless, I'm just drooling right now just talking about those fish and festival because they were on point. It doesn't mean that he should have overcharged us $16,400 for 5 fishes. Anyway, you guys, love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch bunch people with the fan button, and of course you'll see everybody else in tomorrow's vlog. But first, Sarah is beside me so you guys can get all the cuteness before I go. Hey pretty, say bye to the babes. Say bye to the babes. Give babes a smile. Yay!